thank you for coming. So today we're going to do a countdown to Christmas picture frame, and we're going to use it so the kids can write the days that we have left until Christmas. And I'm going to do all this into Canva, and I'm going to show you how I would do it. So I started off with a sheet of paper. It says you create your design, and I put 11.5 by 8 so my paper could be sideways instead of up and down how it usually be. So on the screen right now, you'll see that I have little black kids on there. I'm a black person, so we're going to use a countdown. We're going to use black kids. You can use whatever nationality you are, but this is what I'm using today. So I'm just going to add 2 kids on here. I'm going to change her. It's going to pop up. There she go. And I'm going to add a little boy on there. I might take one of these off. I'm just going to put these on here at the moment. And I'm going to make them smaller. So we're going to do couple different things. So the background right now, you see it is white. So I'm going to go to elements, and we're going to use, these are the things that I recently used up here. As you see on the left hand of my screen, it's moving. And I used the candy cane the last time. So I'm just going to use that again. And I'm going to bring this, click position, and I'm going to bring that to the back. So you see the kids are up in front now, like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fade that out a little bit. You see how it's going? See how it was darker? Now it's going lighter. And now all this again is done in Canva. So I'm going to bring her up a little bit, like that. So I'm going to add some text to it right here. And I'm just going to put countdown to Christmas. And you see it here. And we're going to move it up. Like so. Like this. I'm going to change this writing, and I'm going to make it white. And I probably will add, I might change it back to black. Let's see. We'll do it black. We'll leave it black. Like that. So we're going to move this little boy over. I think we might want to delete him. We're just going to leave the little girl on here. So right here on his right hand side, we see we don't have really nothing there but snowflakes. So up here we're going to go and we're going to click this like scallop type of image, and we're going to turn it upside down so we get long ways, like that. So here I'm going to go back here. We're going to see how it's like a baby bluish and a black background. So we're going to change that color, and we're going to make that white, like this. So this white right here is where we're going to put the number in. So we're going to use this to put the number. So I'm going to move her over a little bit. And we'll make this a little bit bigger, like that. So you can change this. We're going to leave it just like this. I got countdown to Christmas. Make it a little bit smaller. And we're going to leave the girl here. And you see she's highlight. Well, you see the box around it, so I got her highlighted. And this is where we're going to write the number in. So I like it like this. You can add anything you want. Like if I wanted to add, let me click over her. I want to add a Christmas tree. So we're going to look up and put Christmas trees. Okay, so I'm back. I printed it out on a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So I had to cut it down because when you go to the store, you get frames and they're 8 by 10. So I had to cut it down around the edges. So this is what it looked like, and I did everything in Canva. So I, the back of the picture frames, as you know, when you get from Dollar Tree, they had the little prong things on there. So you just peel those up. We're gonna put the glass back in there. We'll put our countdown sheet in there, and then we'll add the backing, and we just put the edges down around here. So when you turn it over, you'll have this. And again, you can use whatever image you want to use, whatever you can find. I'm not quite sure. I might have got this from Creative Fabrica, but I'm not quite sure where I got that from. But the Expo markers I have, and these are dry erase markers, and we're just going to use green. And the countdown, you could do it or the kids could do it. So if we need 3 more days to Christmas, we'll just put 3 there like this, and it's erase off. So tomorrow they could do 2, erase it, 1, like that. So you could do different things you want to do, anything you want to do, and it can sit up like that. Thank you for watching. Please sub to the channel, like, and leave comments. Thank you.